Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, happy 2025. Yes, I know I did not make a New Year commitment to go to the gym this year.
Nope.
All I have to do is stay consistent. That's my commitment in working out. I wanted to do a quick video because a lot of you New Year resolution perhaps maybe to buy a home in 2025.
Oh yeah.
Talk about game plan and what we need to do to get you in your home. After all, it is the American dream, and if I can help one get the American dream, that's my goal. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel Koumou. I am a local realtor with Nash Group at Keller Williams Realty. And in today's video, I wanted to just kind of give you one game plan to help you, or to give you more or so a light on what you need to do to get ready in getting in a home in 2025. And that first thing is to get a pre-approval. Yes, you can look at home, you can go and start viewing home online and all that kind of stuff. But before you step out, drive to a property, do yourself a favor and speak with a lender about getting a pre-approval. Here are 3 reasons why you need to speak with the lender and get a pre-approval. First, you know what you qualify for, what purchase price. So the lender, based on your income, your credit, your debt income ratio and all that kind of stuff, will let you know what you qualify for, what you can afford to buy. 2, the lender will let you know the type of program you qualify for and what you need to bring to the table. So you may qualify for an FHA loan, you may qualify for a VA loan, you may qualify for a conventional loan or USDA loan. There are many loan options out there that you may qualify for. By speaking with the lender will get you clarity on knowing what type of loan you qualify for. And 3, which is one of the most crucial that you need to know, is what I need to bring to the table. Okay, what will my down payment be? FHA, the minimum down payment is 3.5%. 3.5, yes. Do I need that 3.5? Do I need more? Conventional, I believe, is 3 or 5%. Do I need all 5%? What do I need to bring to the table? In addition to your down payment, what are my closing costs? Now, when it comes to closing costs, that is another video for next week where I'll break down the 5 different parts of a closing cost. But for this video, let's talk about what you need to do to get yourself ready to get in a home in 2025. And whatever you do, speak with the lender. If you don't have one, I'll get you a couple lenders that I work with and get yourself a pre-approval. How would you know what to work on if you haven't spoken with anybody? You know, there are some debt that you may not need to pay off. There are some stuff that you may not need to do. Oh, I need to increase my credit. Sometimes once your credit limit is where you can qualify, it doesn't matter if your credit is 625 or 675. Depending on that program, it's still gonna be the same rate. So at least speaking with the lender will give you more clarity on what you need to do. Now, if you don't qualify, that lender, a good lender, will give you a game plan on what you need to do to qualify, and also what you need to do to be where you need to be. So speaking with the lender, for me, if nothing else, should be, or perhaps be one of your commitment to get yourself ready to get in a home in 2025. I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave me a comment, hit the subscribe button, give me a feedback, hit the like button. My New Year resolution commitment this year is to get as many people in a home as possible. So I think together we can do so. So happy New Year, and let's get in a home together. See you next week.